Hello friends, how are you all? I'm Vaishali Edsule, your nutrition and wellness coach. I'm sure you're all taking good care of your health and doing well. Today, I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, and this topic is what care or precautions you need to take when you are following online recipes, online food videos, or any diet recipes, and you want to try it out at your home. First point is always watch the video before you try the recipe at your home. Many times, what we do is we watch the video and simultaneously we are preparing the recipe. But instead of that, first watch it completely and then go for actually trying it. The second point is watch the list of the ingredients and find out whether you are allergic to any of the ingredients or they suit your constitution or not, rather than blindly following the recipe and including all the ingredients and then getting a reaction because the ingredient did not suit you. So make sure that all the ingredients which are being used in the recipe are suitable for your body type. Third and most important point, whenever we cook a recipe, we forget to take aftercare of the recipe. That is, we try it out, but later on forget how we should store it, for how long we should store it, and where we should store it. So make sure that after you cook the recipe and you serve your family, you cover it properly, store it in a food grade container, and then keep it at a place which is cool, dry, and away from sunlight, and not leave it out on the counter. That way you will ensure the health of your entire family. The fourth point that is also important. First of all, try any recipe or try any diet for yourself before serving the recipe to others or suggesting the diet to others. Try to see whether it suits you, it's beneficial to you, and then suggest it for others. Same goes for recipes. Try to taste it for yourself, make adjustments with seasonings, ingredients, and make it palatable for yourself and then serve others. This way, it will be always a successful recipe or a successful diet for you. Make sure you're following it. And now, the fifth and most important tip. Whatever is suitable for others may not be suitable for you. So make sure whenever you are trying out a new recipe, always make it in small quantities rather than going in for big quantities with a new recipe, because there are chances that you may miss some steps and the recipe may not turn out as you wanted it to be. And when you're following online diets, remember, you should always consult an expert before following any new diet, because online diets, they might be good for some, but they're not good for everybody. So make sure that you take an expert advice as per your body type and then go and follow any diet. And this way you will be always a happy internet surfer with good results for yourself and your family, and not a frustrated one scoring large amounts of videos but always not satisfied. So make sure you follow these tips and let me know in comments how was your experience. For more, follow my page. Thank you so much.